guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the newly launched Mamaearth Aqua Glow range. This is a very fancy range by Mamaearth as it promises 72 hours of hydration. It's the perfect range to quench your skin's thirst, and it's the most natural solution for skin hydration as it contains Himalayan spring water. Himalayan spring water is considered to be a miraculous potion for the skin, as there are so many people who travel to far off places like Manikaran, Gaurikund, Khir Ganga, etc. to have a bath in these hot spring waters. Because they have a lot of healing properties for the skin. They have a lot of skin hydration properties. These hot spring waters contain a lot of antioxidants which are so good for your skin. They help to reverse UV damage. It also helps to promote skin cell turnover, which in turn helps to repair your skin. So basically, Himalayan spring waters help to hydrate, soothe and protect your skin. This range consists of 3 products. The first one is the face wash. This is Mamaearth Aqua Glow Face Wash. This face wash contains Himalayan thermal water and hyaluronic acid, and it's a very hydrating face wash. It does not dry out your skin at all. Instead, it hydrates your skin a little bit. So it comes with a cap over here, and once you open the cap, there's a brush at the other end which you can use to massage your face. It has very tiny silicone bristles, and the bristles are so soft and they are very gentle for the skin. The bristles are softer than any other silicone face wash brush that I've ever used. The second product in this range is Mamaearth Aqua Glow Face Serum. This again contains Himalayan thermal water and hyaluronic acid. The Himalayan thermal water helps to hydrate your skin, and hyaluronic acid helps to retain the hydration into your skin. The serum is so lightweight that when you apply it on your skin and when you start blending it into your skin, it almost converts into a consistency like water. It is that lightweight and it gets absorbed into your skin in just a couple of seconds. And the third product in this range is this Mamaearth Aqua Glow Gel Face Moisturiser. This again contains hyaluronic acid and Himalayan thermal water. Now this is the product that I'm most excited about because this provides you 72 hours of hydration. So I'm going to put this product to a test today. Before that, I'm just going to show you how this looks from the inside. It's got a very gel-like consistency, as you can see. My skin is completely bare right now. Let me just give you a close-up. So I'm going to be putting this Mamaearth Aqua Glow Moisturiser to a test right now. I'm picking up a little bit of the product. And applying it all over my face. And also my neck. Blending it really well into my skin. It's very lightweight and it's non-greasy, non-oily. I do not feel any greasiness on my fingers or on my skin. And as you can see, it's provided an instant, plumping effect to my skin. My skin looks so plump and so healthy. So I'm going to give you guys an update about my skin every few hours. Before that, let me just talk a little bit about the brand. So Mamaearth is one of my favorite brands when it comes to skincare and hair care products. I absolutely love most of their products. I keep using them all the time. And the best part is that they are a very environment friendly brand. They plant a lot of trees. They have this initiative of planting more than 1 million trees by the end of 2025, which is crazy, right? So whenever you place an order on Mamaearth's website, they link your order to a tree that they plant. So while shopping from Mamaearth, you're also contributing to the environment. So all of the products that I showed today, you can purchase them from Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, from Mamaearth's website or from Mamaearth's app. If you place an order on their website by using my coupon code, that is Riya 2021, to get a 20% off. And another amazing way of shopping for Mamaearth products is from their app, because that way you will be getting early access to all of their discounts and offers, so you'll be saving on more money. Their app is available for both Android and for iOS. Also, Mamaearth products are free from harmful toxins like parabens, silicone, mineral oil, etc. And they have a lot of plant-derived natural ingredients in their products. So their products are amazing and of great quality. You should definitely check them out. So I'm gonna leave the moisturizer on my skin until midnight, and for 72 hours, that is for 3 days. For my skincare routine, I'm only gonna be using a face wash. No moisturizer, no face mask, no serums, no nothing, just a face wash. once in the morning and once at night. I'll be using the same Mamaearth Aqua Glow Face Wash twice a day, and I won't even be reapplying the Mamaearth Aqua Glow Moisturiser for 72 hours. I'm just gonna see how much hydration is there on my skin, whether or not my skin becomes dry or anything like that. So I'm gonna update you guys maybe every 12 hours or so. So right now it's 2 o'clock, as you can see, exactly 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna update you guys 12 hours from now, that is 2 a.m. in the night, and show you the condition of my skin, whether it still looks hydrated or whether it has become dry. Okay, so it's been about 12 hours. Let me just show you the time. So it's a little past 2 a.m. and this is the condition of my skin. Let me just give you a close-up. All I did was wash my face using the Aqua Glow Face Wash around 12 a.m. or something, and this is how my skin looks like. It doesn't look or feel dry at all. I'm just gonna scratch my skin to do the dryness test. And as you can see, there are absolutely no white marks, there's no dryness, nothing. So the Aqua Glow moisturizer has moisturized my skin well enough. It has hydrated my skin well enough for my skin to not become dry even after 12 hours, even after using a face wash. So now I'm gonna update you guys 12 hours from now, that is around 2 p.m. Alright, so I'm back after exactly 24 hours of applying the Aqua Glow moisturizer. It is 2 a.m. in the afternoon. This is day 2, and this is how my skin looks like. I used this Aqua Glow face wash in the morning while having a bath. It was almost around 10:30 or 11 a.m. So this is the close-up of my skin, and as you can see, my skin does not look and feel dry. In fact, it feels slightly oily because it's been a while that I washed my face, so it's becoming slightly oily, but the hydration is still intact. I do not feel any sort of dryness on my skin. Even while scratching my skin, like using all of my nails, there's absolutely no dryness. So now I'm gonna wait for about another 24 hours. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow around the same time. Okay, so it's been about 48 hours since I first applied the Aqua Glow moisturizer, and today I completely forgot to film. I completely lost track of time, and it's about 4 o'clock. So it's very hot outside. I was just having my glass of charge when I finally realized that I had to film this update. So here's the condition of my skin. As you can see, it doesn't look and feel dry. In fact, it feels a little bit oily, the tiniest bit of oily. So when I'm doing the scratch test, there is absolutely no white mark on my skin, which means that my skin does not look and feel dry. In fact, you can see when the light is hitting my skin, it's sort of reflecting. So that's how radiant my skin is looking. So the Aqua Glow moisturizer, in spite of having had applied it 48 hours earlier, is still doing the hydration job on my skin. It's still keeping my skin pretty hydrated, and it's also provided a beautiful radiance on my skin, as you can see. So now I'm gonna update you guys tomorrow, that is exactly after 72 hours of applying the moisturizer. Okay, so it's been about 72 hours that I first applied the Aqua Glow moisturizer, and I'm really excited to take the dryness test to check if my skin has become dry or if it still remains hydrated even after 72 hours. So it's the 6th of July today. It's 12:41 and it's my anniversary today. I just checked my Instagram handle. So many of you all wished me there. Thank you so much for all of your heartwarming messages. So since it's my anniversary, I kind of washed my hair. Otherwise, I'm too lazy to even wash my hair. So I just washed my hair. I got out of the shower, and this is the condition of my skin. Let me just give you a close-up. So as you can see, dry तो बिल्कुल नहीं लग रही है, पर थोड़ी सी sweat ज़रूर हो रही है because I just had a bath, with hot water and all. तो थोड़ा sweat हो रहा है. It's very hot here in Mumbai. Apart from that, dry बिल्कुल नहीं लग रही है, smooth लग रही है. So I'm just gonna do the scratch test. इतना स्क्रैच करने के बाद भी ड्राई नहीं लग रही है, बस यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी हल्की सी ड्राई लग रही है. तो 72 hours तक the moisture remained on my skin. The moisturizer kept my skin hydrated and this has literally never happened before. मैंने इतनी सारी बार face wash भी use किया after applying this Aqua Glow moisturizer, but in spite of that skin बिल्कुल भी dry नहीं हुई. In spite of not applying a moisturizer for 3 whole days मेरी skin dry नहीं हुई. So I think this moisturizer is amazing for very long lasting hydration. So since my skin looks slightly dry from here, I'm just gonna apply the Aqua Glow moisturizer on my entire face ताकि 3 और दिन तक मेरी skin hydrated रहे. And apart from that, it's also made my skin a lot more radiant than before. So since it's my anniversary today, I would love for my skin to look hydrated, dewy and radiant and all of that. So I'm just gonna apply this again right now. I absolutely love the consistency of it. It's like water for my skin, like how you consume water to keep your body hydrated. This is something that's going to keep your skin hydrated. It's so easy to apply, it's so easy to blend into your skin, and it just takes like a couple of seconds to be, you know, completely absorbed by your skin. So I'm highly impressed by the Mamaearth Aqua Glow moisturizer. I highly recommend it for all of you all who struggle with dry skin or dehydrated skin. I think this is the best option to keep your skin hydrated for a very long time. Even if you have oily skin, this is so lightweight. Like I have oily acne prone skin and this is like so lightweight. It does not clog my pores, it does not make my skin sweat, it does not feel sticky or tacky or anything like that. It's just the perfect moisturizer for all skin types. So I highly recommend you check this one out. The links to purchase it is in the description box below. Make sure you check that out. And yeah, that was my video. That was my 72-hour test of this Mamaearth Aqua Glow moisturizer, and it passed all of my tests. So in case if you end up trying this out, do let me know in the comments below how it works out for you. Also, if you enjoyed watching this video and if you found it helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to check out my anniversary reel. I really put in a lot of efforts to gather all of the pictures from my past into that reel. So make sure you check that out and give it a like. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.